Today we are going to take a look at some of the most amazing usable tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Ninth tool. Malco Magnetic Driver. The Malco, a reversible, dual-sided hex driver with a magnet. This chopped driver ensures that a hex drive is always at hand. It's ideal for use with Malco zip-in and bit-tip screws. This easy clean magnet also has a tested one-piece driver strength. The positive engagement of its head is never compromised, and the screw always seems squashed. Dual number. The MSCH hex driver with the reversible magnet is ideal for your use. Eighth tool. Nypex High Leverage Flush Cutter. Nypex is an energy-saving, flush cutting fast tool perfect for the cutting of copper conductor rails. It features a clean, smooth cut edge at the end for sections and components made of metal. It permits the energy-saving cutting of thick work components made of soft metal and plastic and can be used for precision cutting edges for soft material. Seventh tool. Spin Tools Flaring Spin. The Spin Tools Flaring Spin is the ultimate flaring and swaging tool in the market. With it, you can get perfect flares and swages with minimum effort and maximum reliability, allowing you to quickly flare or expand any copper or aluminum tool in just a few seconds. Spin tools use high temperature to expand the tubing, completely avoiding the hardening. Sixth tool. Wolfcraft Pimp My Rule Adapter. Next up, we have the Wolfcraft Pimp My Rule Adapter. It turns into a multi-faceted measuring instrument. The internal measurement adapter has been specially developed to take hard-to-reach internal measurements. It is compatible with all commercially available folding rules, allowing you to get exact measurements even in hard-to-reach places. Simply slide it onto the folding rule, up as far as the measuring limit. The position is then fixed using the set screw. Once this has been done, the protruding part of the internal measurement adapter marks the correct internal measurement. Simply fold out the next section of your rule and read off the number. This is ideal for fitting items like shelves and cabinet bases, drawers and much more. Fifth tool. Kreg Inline Clamp. The Kreg Inline Clamp makes it easy to hold workpieces of all shapes and sizes without a clamp holding in the way. The clamp does this by applying pressure from the side rather than overhead, so the clamp stays out of the way while you work. The inline clamp stays in place with a peg that stays in a 3 to 4 inch diameter hole. You can also drill the holes at any table as per your convenience for Kreg inline clamping. Using the clamp is easy. Turn the counter easy to grip tile into the hole, and it makes it easier to apply the clamping pressure you need. The low profile shoe is 1 inch thick, so it stays out of the way while you work. The clamping tool can be used on figures of all sizes, including sharp angles and edges. Fourth tool. Gladiator Cargo Net. The Gladiator Cargo Net system is quick and easy to use. Gladiator's strong system consists of 3 different product lines: the light-duty mesh web, the medium-duty safety web, and the heavy-duty Gladiator Cargo Net. Our product line's main feature is the extensive wedging, mesh integration, and working load limit. The mesh system has full mesh coverage. The safety web has a highly resistant cargo net wedging system. The Gladiator Cargo Net has extensive wedging and integration, providing the greatest strength, coverage, and most attractive price. Third tool. Hilti Chipper. The Hilti Chipper is the world's first cordless chipping tool. An industry-leading 36-volt battery powers it. This is the chipping tool for every kind of chipping applications, where maximum control is more important than impact. Its balanced, ergonomic, and lightweight design makes it ideal for various control chipping applications, such as cleanup, removing tiles, and delivering enough power to remove surfaces without destroying the structure. Second tool. Malco 4-in-1 nut driver. It's a handy socket in your pocket. The compact Malco 4-in-1 nut driver combines 4 hex sizes and 1 comfortable handle. This positive locking telescoping driver features 3 position combinations to access the hex openings in the most compact position for fitting in your pocket. You can quickly turn the driver around in your hand to access a 5/16 inch or 1/4 inch hex driver opening, pull the locking collar back, and reset to access a 3 to 8 inch hex opening or longer reach 5/16 inch opening holes back again. Reset to access a 7/16 inch hex opening or extra long reach 1/4 inch opening. The positive locking collar ensures that the quick release shafts remain secured when applying inline pressure. Simultaneously, in use, pull back the collar and reset the middle to return to the 5 to 16 inch and 1/4 inch pocket size position. A comfortable 3-lobe handle makes working with the unique Malco 4-in-1 nut driver easy, and chrome vanadium steel socket shafts offer long service life for this must-have tool. First tool. Wolfgraft Leveler. The Wolfgraft level rules are perfect for aligning pictures for workspaces. It works similar to the spirit level principle. It's durable and robust and fits onto any commercially available tool. Ideal for horizontal alignment. The bubble shows the correct alignment. It's great for fast horizontal positioning and clever aid for the house, hobby, and the office. We hope you liked these fantastic tools. Do thumbs up the video and subscribe to the Top 5s HD so you can watch such informative videos regularly.